1. Listen and repeat.
T tent, teapot, blanket, tea, tent, teapot, blanket, blanket,
near,
teapot, tent.
The tent is near the fence. Is the table near the tent? No, it isn't. It's in the tent. The cake is near the teapot. Is the teapot near the table? No, it isn't. It's on the table. The shirt is near the shoes. The table is near the teapot.